friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing. Let's jump into today's review because this wig is very special. You guys need to hear all about it, so stick around for all the details about today's wig and install. Today's hair sponsor is HerWorthyHair. Let's give them a warm welcome. This is actually my first collaboration with them. Look at this wig. She's definitely worthy of sitting on this crown. Today what I have installed is a 12-inch 13x4 real HD invisible lace frontal wig. This is in the glueless style.
I'm really on fire tonight. Can't nobody hold me down. I'm doing whatever now. Ain't got no time to fight. I'm talking way too loud. And if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. It's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Telling you that I might never go to sleep, stay up all night, doing just what I like. No more hoping, no, I'm right like this. I don't lie like this. I'm on fire like this. This, yeah. Him and her and they don't over there. They looking over here, they giving me a stare.
This is cute. I have to bump the ends before we proceed, okay? Because I have to. I can't help myself and get inspired. And it's glueless, a glueless frontal wig. Would you look at that? Just some nice hair, y'all. Wow. Can definitely wear her glueless. I think I want to like give it sort of a widow's peak hairline. So let's just start pulling some of those hairs out. Oh, those are really knotted in there well. Like this wig is not gonna shed.
Look how they looking at me. I think they influenced by me. They say they not fucking with me, alright. Wish they looking at me. She want me to slide for the fling.
But when you're doing this, you definitely want to do it in small sections because once you take the hairs out, it's going to be very difficult, almost impossible to put it back. I know I can't put it back. Somebody else can, but I can't. Oh, it's still glueless. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna pluck some of these hairs here. Give it a more natural looking hairline.
She want me to show her some things, but right now I'm focused on me doing me. Gotta watch step on the tightrope. I never fall off this light work. Know it's people trying to see me down real bad. Same ones trying to meet me where I'm at now. Same ones trying to figure how I got here. I been serving my pop, bitch, shaking my sauce, been writing these songs since 48 key drop. Tell me when to go, how you think I'm finna stop? I be protecting my inner child. You could keep all of that dissonance. They be hating on me cause they see I'm gifted. It's all for the soul, your shit 3D printed. I been doing me like I got a blank check. I been taking shade for the love and respect. Wanna touch stage, cross seas on me, no drama, more flights. Next year's looking lit. I'm laid up in somebody grass. I'm burning the gas to my last.
That's pretty good, I think, for now. So what I'm going to do is secure her because I want to see her melted.
Life is so fragile, enjoying the roses so high you can't see me, I'm seated. She wanna breed me, I'm trying to do Fiji. I live on the island alone. I'm trying to be one with my aura before.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is put the glue right before where I want it, and then I'm gonna stick the glue above it, if that makes sense. I recently discovered that this glue, you can apply the wig wet. You don't have to wait till it dries. Try to spread it out evenly though. Now I'm gonna pull it over. It's gonna dry clear. Leave it alone, it's going to dry. You can tie a headband. I would say don't apply any heat, just let it dry naturally. It's already starting to dry, and as it's drying, just press it in. I've been playing around with this glue because when I tell you it's my favorite, it really is. I'm trying to learn it and see all the things I can do with it, and so far it's just been really amazing. This literally takes the complication out of a glue install away for me. See, it's already drying clear here. You don't have to dry nothing. You don't have to do nothing. Just put it on wet, stick the lace, and it's gonna dry like that. That's amazing. We're gonna go ahead and melt it down some extra melting. Even though it doesn't need to, I swear the glue works better this way. Just pull those hairs out. Let me get some of that spray and push that hair up and out.
You for 100 years and I never blink an eye.
And before we move forward, I want to clean up my part. I can't find my palette. I'm going to use concealer. I don't normally do this.
Beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go. Winter or summer. I don't care the seasons.
Oh, this is nice. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I am gonna bump the ends.
Change. 'Cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day. 'Cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do.
There was no foundation, no lace tint. It's just beautiful. Look at that hairline. I did pluck the hairline. That is the only thing that I did. Do we see this bounce? The sway.
Never been this close to heaven.
You don't need a comb. You don't need a brush. All you gotta do is just do this. Amazing. This wig got me acting crazy because it's that crazy. It's crazy to me that they can create a highlight wig that is this silky and perfect. Sometimes we see this brown highlight and it's all brown and blonde. No, they were like, I got you, Kez. And I'm gonna tell you why. We have the natural roots mixed with the brown, mixed with the blonde. Beautiful highlights. Second thing is obviously the texture. Under the definition of silk, you're gonna find this wig. They did a magnificent job cutting this wig. Not thin on the sides here. Shout out to HerWorthyHair. Definitely worthy. You guys need to check them out. Typically, guys, I don't really like bob wigs like that, and this one I love. Like, I'm definitely gonna be rocking this wig. Oh my god, I gotta go. I feel like I need to go somewhere with this unit. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this review, and leave a comment. What are your thoughts? I gotta run. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now.